Hello, welcome to a new video of Pixels by Angel. In this video you are going to learn how to use the AutoAnimate features in Adobe XD to create some awesome animations for your prototype. Okay, so in a previous tutorial you've learned how to create a mobile app in Adobe XD. So you've learned how to create a prototype. In case you did not, I'll add the link to the previous video in the description, and also I'll link these Adobe XD files so you can practice on it if you want. Okay, to get started I have here two screens, the main workout and the workout incomplete screen. So as you can see, it's a fitness app prototype, and we want to add the AutoAnimate feature so you can explain to the developers what kind of animations would you like when you press a specific button or when you do a specific action. So in order to get started, we will copy this over. So we will animate this nice slider. So if you want to see the next image or the next video, what would you like to add here? We need this to be scrollable, so you can press on it and you can see the next image. So in order to do that, you are gonna make a copy. So Ctrl C, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste it, right click, copy, and so yeah, simple right click, copy, and right click, paste. So that's how you do a copy. And in order to do that, I'll try to move this a bit to the left. So that's the ending positions. How prototypes work exactly, the AutoAnimate features work some kind of similar like a frame animation. So if you're into animations, if you learned a bit about animations, you will be able to use the AutoAnimate features without any issues. So this is like a starting frame and this is like the ending frame of an animation. That's why I moved this into the ending position of the frame. And what the AutoAnimate feature is gonna do is gonna generate some frames. So it's gonna generate automatically the animations that we want to end into this position. So you'll see now, if I go to prototype, it's important to have this selected and press on this image. Move it to this next screen. You'll see the prototype. It's this line is going from this screen to the other, and we want to have the trigger selected on tap and action AutoAnimate. Here you have the duration. We want ease in and out, and the duration, I think about 0.6 seconds is fine, and we will press on this board again and to test it out. So this is the main screen, and I'm gonna press on this. That's gonna make it scrollable, so you have yourself a slider. Now if you want to get back from this to the other one, so you can see again the previous picture, you're gonna do the same thing. Select this image, drag this to the previous board, use the trigger trap and AutoAnimate feature, and again you can now see the previous one. So you can play around and create a slider that way. Okay, that was one of the AutoAnimate. That was one of the animations which I wanted to show you, and the next one will be to animate this menu at the top. So I'm gonna copy and paste this over here. So I think I'm gonna copy the first one since that's the starting point. Okay, and we want to animate this. Let's go back to design for a little, and I've already created a menu which I want to drop from this. I'm gonna copy it and paste it over this board, move it to the top. So that's how you create a menu. Okay, then we have this. So you can see this is like the state where this button is pressed, and we want for that the color to be a bit lighter, so we know that the state has changed. That's gonna help with the overall user experience, so they know in what stage they are. Okay, so that's our menu. And I'm gonna create the animation. As I said, remember how frames work. We have a starting frame and an ending frame. So for that, I'm gonna use this as a starting frame, select the button, double click on it, and drag this line to the next board. So in our case is the ending frame. Okay, so now if I go to this, play, or how it's called, I think it's called desktop preview, and press on this one, you're gonna see the menu is gonna drop down, and we want this to close. So I'm gonna do the same thing, drag this line to the previous board, leave tab and AutoAnimate, and now when I want to close it, it's gonna close like that. So that's the only thing you have to keep in mind, starting frame and ending frame, and it's gonna auto-generate all the frames in between to create that nice animation. It's really powerful features that's available in Adobe XD, and I really like it for that. So that's how you create a menu. Now we have two different animations, and yeah, we want now to move to the next screen. So let's suppose we select this workout from the menu, and that's gonna redirect us to the workout description. So you can see, if you select the workout and you want to do it, that's gonna redirect us to the next screen. Again, think about starting frame and ending frame of this. Okay, so I already have it on tap and AutoAnimate and desktop preview. That's basically our animation. Okay, I'm gonna put a tap and AutoAnimate on this button as well, so I can go back to the previous screen if I want to, like that. Yeah, works really well. And then now we want to animate this screen as well. I'm gonna copy and paste it. Okay, and let's suppose you finish the first round, and you're gonna press on this button. That's gonna mark it as checked. So that's what we want our next frame to be. I've already prepared the element here, so I have the check mark set. I'm gonna select this, double click on it. So I want it to be inside it. Sorry, I think I'm gonna go to design since it's gonna make it easier for me. Yeah. Copy and paste. Make this smaller as well. I'm not sure what happened. Something should be broken. That's alright. I'll try again. Okay, make this smaller. Check mark smaller. I think there's another one in the back, I'm not sure why. Oh, another one. Okay, now that's correct now. Okay, I have this, I'm gonna place it right in the middle. It's not really in the middle. Okay, that's gonna work for me. So when you finish the exercise, you're gonna press on this right here. That's gonna check it, so that's our next frame. But we also want the bottom to have the text change to workout complete, and we want the button to be colored green. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pick up the color to be the same as this one and change the text to white. Okay, in addition to that, I want this small check mark icon to be placed next to the, oops, no. Okay, I'm gonna move it down and next to the text. Okay, like that. And call it workout complete. Right. Alright, so that's what we wanted to achieve. Now let's test how the AutoAnimate features is gonna work on this. So that's gonna happen when you press on the on the checkbox, tap and AutoAnimate. Let's try it out. Yep, works exactly as I want. Okay, another animation that I want to do, let's say if you need a whole workout, if you need a whole round, because in this example, let's say there is gonna be more rounds, round 1, round 2, and when you finish all the rounds, you're gonna press on workout complete at the bottom. And we want this workout complete when you press on it to have nice animations, so you feel good about yourself that you finished the whole workout. Gonna delete now everything else except the bottom at the bottom. Okay, so everything else, oops, I don't want that to be deleted. I want to keep that, so everything else should be deleted. Yeah, okay. And now I want to double click on this and enlarge it so it covers the whole page, like that. I'm gonna take the check mark, make it larger, put this right under it, and I'm gonna add the congratulations and share and the icons right below it. Actually, I'm not gonna add the congratulations, and I'm gonna rename the workout complete to congratulations. Okay, like that. Share, move it in the middle, make it white, and move a little bit to the center the icons. Okay, so let's try it out. We will select this button, go to prototype, and drag this again, tap AutoAnimate, and let's see how it works. Yeah, works really nice, exactly what I wanted to achieve. Yeah. Okay, so this is how you do some examples of how you can use the auto animations in Adobe XD. I said I think it's really nice tool to have. There's another thing you can try, that we can try. I'm gonna copy and paste this. So you have this like a video, and you can play it. So let's suppose you push the button to play, you're gonna delete this, and you have now the video. We are gonna increase the opacity. So let's try it out. This is just a really simple one. So you can see now, you're gonna press that when you finish it, and workout complete. That's our ending screen. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really do, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you into the next video. So let me know what would you like to learn, and comment in this comment section below. See you next time.